Z1, Z2 is given. Next, the magnitude of the difference of the readings he asking. So if you see, first of all here, what is the reading of this currents? If you check, this total current is coming here, I, that is split into two parts. Let us take this is I2 and this is I1. So I can take I1 as the voltage VRB by Z1, whereas I2 we can take it as I2 is going like this. Okay, I2 is going like this. Why? Because pressure coil offers the infinite impedance. So VRY by Z2. So we have to check the RB and RY impedances here. We have to check the RB and RY impedances here. So first of all, RB, VRB. Okay, so VRB is what? This is the VRB. Okay, so VRB is how much? If you check the line to line voltage has given 400 volts. So I can write this as 400. VRB kitna hoga? So if you see this, VBR plus 120 minus 180 kare to, so this will be minus 60. Minus 60. And what is the Z1? Z1 is 50 minus 90. 50 minus 90. So it will be 830. So what I am going to get extraction here, I1 will be 8 minus 60 plus 90, that will be 30 degrees. So this is the 30. So this is our I1. Next, what about I2? That is a VRY. VRY is our reference. So I can take it as 400, 0. Next, Z2 is given as how much? Z2 is given as 200 minus 30. 230. So what is the I2 value? I2 value will be 2 plus 30. So this is our I2. So overall I will be I1 plus I2. So that will become, any mistake we have done? Nothing, na? So minus 60 plus 90, and this is this. So we are going to get how much here? If you check, minus 60 plus 90, and this is 0 plus 30. Okay, so 8 comma 30, 2 comma 30. So this is the 10 comma 30 degree. So this is our I. So now you got the I, which is passing through this ICC. That's it. Now let us go for the W1. So W1 reading and W2 reading. So W1 is nothing but VPC, ICC, and cosine angle between VPC and ICC. So VPC1 and ICC1. What is the VPC1? If you check, this is nothing but, that is VRB. So the VRB. And what is the ICC that is going here? That is nothing but I. So that is nothing but I. Why? Because the same current coil I into cosine angle of VRB, and let us check the values. What is the value of VRB here? Check the value of VRB, that is 400. Next, what is the current value? Current is nothing but 10, and cos of the angle VRB, that is minus 60 minus 30. So it will become cos minus 90, that will become 0. So this reading has become 0. Crystal clear. Cos of minus 90 means cos 90. So that is going to become as. So let us go for the next W2. If you see the W2, that is also same, VPC2 ICC, cosine angle between VPC2 and ICC. What is this VPC2? Wattmeter 2. Wattmeter 2 is connected between VB and Y. So this is connected here na, wattmeter 2. This voltage. The pressure coil is connected between VBY, we can take. Okay, so that will be 400 with a phase angle of how much we can take? Minus 120. Okay na? So this how much we can take? This is 400 Next, ICC is what? That is the current passing here. So this will be I2 only. So I2 is nothing but 2 amperes na. I2 is 2 amperes. Am I right? Next, cos of the angle between this and this. VPC2. VPC2 means this one. 400. Sorry, angle is 0. This angle will be yes 30. So that will be 400 into 2 root 3 by 2. So it will be 400 root 3. I think here I am going to get some value V or Y. Okay. So I am going to get as VPC2 if we check, this value is how much V or Y if we check. Check this value, it is V or Y. It is nothing but 0. Second reading between VBY na VPC2, that is yes VYB hoga, that means it will become minus 120. So there is a mistake I have done here. So this will be minus 120 VYB. It's connected between V and Y, so I can take V by ICC. This is cos of minus 120 minus, so cos minus 150. Please check the value of cos minus 150. How much were calci? Use the calci. Calci use karo. So this will be coming as cos of minus 120 minus 30. So minus root 3 by 2. Coming as minus root 3 by 2. Okay, correction. So it is going to come as minus 400 root 3. So that is the difference you have to understand. Why? Because second pressure coil is connected between V and Y. That is nothing but VVY. So that is nothing but minus 120. Current coil is nothing but the same current I2 will go. So this is I2 here. This is I2. Okay. So first double wattmeter 1 pressure coil, wattmeter 2 pressure coil. You have to check. Wattmeter 1 pressure coil is VRB. वाटमीटर प्रेशर कॉइल इज V by I. So minus 400 root 3 आ गया. So हमको क्या चाहिए? What we need is W1 minus W2. So W1 minus W2, this is 0. This is minus of minus 400 root 3. So it becomes as plus 400 root 3. So 400 into 1.732 is coming as 692.8 watts. So your IIT key may be the range bound, but हमको is the exact answer. We got it as 692.8 watts. The only thing is you have to identify the wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2 exact pressure coil and current coil readings. There may be a bit confusion, but you have to identify here the current propagation. The main current I split into two parts, I1 and I2. First you have to get the I. So for this current coil total I is going, and for this current coil only I2 is going, and for this pressure coil the potential is VRB, and for this potential coil the pressure coil is V by V or VV by. Okay, so that's what we have done here. Answer is coming as 692. 2 questions back to back from the